This is OKPRO 5040 street lamp. Will light 3/4 of a basket filled up 3,500 square feet. It has a 50,000 milliamp battery, two 6-volt panels that will quickly charge your unit and run it for 2 days non-stop. You got the brackets and angles, you got the solar panel brackets, you got the instruction guide, you got a 1.5-inch pole, and you have the pole bracket mount, all the hardware except for two things: AAA batteries for the remote control and wood lag bolts. The instruction guide is very simple to go over, and they have a phone number in case you need to have support. This light is dusk to dawn. On the remote control you have an auto, an on and off button, and you have a positive and negative and the Kelvin to raise, 6,500 Kelvin. I am only going to demonstrate the light working, all hooked up outside, but we're going to do a build and show you exactly how to get this thing going. I'm not climbing 30 feet up, placing it about 20 feet. The higher you go, the wider the angle, the less brightness it'll toss down. So this light can be put anywhere imaginable: your garage, a parking lot, a pathway, somewhere where you need to have light. Let's get this build going and show you what it's all about. You have a bolt, a nut, and a bracket, and you're simply going to do your best to spin these on. Now, how do I do that? I take the nut, I place it upside down, I place the bolt, and I match it up just like so. I do my best to be safe on the very sharp edgings of these things. And I carefully, slowly take the drill and I spin it on. Put my finger there to grab it and repeat this for the other panel as well. Now we have this bracket over here, and this bracket's going to line up in here. And the hardest part is getting this bolt and this nut on the inside one. And you're going to do the same thing. You're going to do your best to look for the nut underneath. Place this on. Push down. And feel for the nut locking up. You got large bolts and nuts. You're going to attach this on like so. We have 3 holes for the sun, a center hole, and you're going to simply just put the bolts in. Lock them down to your desire. We're going to go back over this. For now, I'm going to place on the bolts to the bracket, and we're going to be ready to hang this outside and tighten this down. I'm going to show you right inside before I do this outside, so this way we'll get it all done. This is where you're going to slide and snake the cables through, like so. Take the head, do your best to lock it into place. Get the angle you need. Slide the head on, like said. Rather make it super heavy. That's what it will look like when we're done, and angle it to the sun. We're all hooked up, very simple to do. The sun's hitting it, it's going to get all day sun. 6 volts is going to the 50,000 milliamp battery. And we're going to just see what it looks like at night, lit up. And I hope you can enjoy your solar street lamp. Oh yeah, 6,500 Kelvin, lighting up a whole basketball court just about with your needs. Enjoy your OKPRO street lamp, if this is right for you.
10 levels of lighting, 6,500 Kelvin, equivalent to a 60-watt light bulb.
Per light string will equal 3,000 watts.
This is a 60 watt equivalent 6500 Kelvin with 10 levels of control. So you can adjust it with the remote control and get 3/4 of a basketball court taken care of. It is an excellent light indeed. Standing right underneath the light, I hope it's something that you're looking for to get your area lit up. At a basketball court, at a pathway, a driveway, a backyard, front of the house, a warehouse, a parking lot, wherever you need to have a street lamp. I hope you enjoy your product if it's right for you.